Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Sinting. You know, Jamaican people are so gracious. They just love to ensure that you get where you're going problem free. Take a look at what I talk about.
And back.
Miss, Wagwan. I just want to work as in that try to find a tailor in name, Cutty.
Cutty? The tailor?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we know him. Everybody know Cutty. Alright, I know workers ends this, you know. It's a sale out here.
Oh.
Everything you have to the past sale.
Okay.
You don't want one of them nice bags to buy for your girlfriend.
What next time, yeah? What next time?
Alright. Watch your man. Follow me now.
Alright.
Go back out at the bus terminus, right?
Alright, cool.
And you go catch one of them cream color van. Ground plane them.
Yeah, man, most of them, yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, so you go catch one of them going back to Parade.
Cool.
Now, what you gonna do? You know the biggest KFC out there?
One right next to the Burger King, yeah?
Yeah, well, what you want to do now? Don't come off there, so. Keep going a little further down, maybe 2 more stoplights, and you go see the big supermarket, the big Chinese supermarket.
A chunks.
Alright, well, you go come off out there, so. When you come off, look on your left, and you go see the Antiat man, we sell the bag juice. Alright, go to him, and you go ask him now which part you go find the lady. We have the best hairdresser shop on the roadside. Him go send you go down to Miss Pearline. Miss Pearline, a little bit down from west in there. It's not hard to find, you're not lost.
Alright, cool.
Follow me now. So,
Alright.
Miss Pearline, she have the address for the lady who live near to the child who's her brother sell newspaper. Well, I feel them cousin drive taxi. Now, you see when you go up there, you're going to see one little white gate, right? But you know, so white again, tree rusty up now. But trust me, you will see it. When you go there, then about 4 dozen longmouth mangy mongrel dog in the yard, we are going to rush you. But all you do, just make off of them and then we run. But keep 2 stones in your hand just in case. Anyhow, Miss Girlie, as she go come out, and she know exactly which part the guy will run taxi there. He is a cool guy still, you know. We know him personal, man. We know him personal. He will carry you go workers end. All you do though, just give me a little smiles and then we carry up the good. But here what? We not really get the license yet. We have to look out for police in case you have to bail out fast. You know Babylon stay. Now you see when you reach up a worker's ends, you must look on your left side. And you span the left side there, so when you go around the corner of the road there, you go see one big sign. And you see right other sign. That's how which part cut it there. Trust me, you can't last.
Thank you.
Shisha, where do you live?
And back.
Beside, hey, Jamaican always want to give you the most detailed instructions, enough hand directions, enough warning about dog or any such encounters along the way, often at the expense of creating much confusion. Anyway, people, we hope we made you laugh, or if you just chuck a little bit, we're gonna take that too. Until next time, bye. Follow me now. Down below, there's a like button. You can rate the video. Up top, you can subscribe up there, so. Or you can make comments below. I mean, in the comment box below.